Hello and welcome to another episode with Postcode. Nice to see you, hope you're well. Right, today, me, Harley, my mum, my sister and her boyfriend, we've come on a little walk. Take a look at this. He's in, come on.
Oh, that's too cold.
Too cold? Yeah, so we, me and Harley have come up my mum's and we decided to go out for a little walk. We found this waterfalls on a map called Hareshaw at Bellingham. I will find out some more information about it and I will put a link in the description below, a postcode where you park the car and then you can walk. The parking's free, but trust me, this walk, it's worth it. Whoa! Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh, this isn't bad, this one. This is alright, this one, look. Be careful, Harley. They're excessively slippery.
They'll be super slippery, Harley, be careful. You are going to get your trainers wet. That's alright, he'll slip in a minute and then we'll all be laughing at him. Oh, there it is! Ah, he's got him wet! I knew he'd do it! I knew it! Waterfall 1 mile. Now we've got these bloody stone steps. Great. Oh. This waterfall better be worth it.
I'm a celebrity! Get me out of here!
I'm just at the mealy worms and I'm absolutely full up.
Where are you, Harley? He's just through there. How did you get through there? Can't see him. He went down there and walked round the back. Hopefully he'll pop up a bit longer, further along here. Let's see. Let's have a look. There he is, walking along the water's edge. Gee. He just wants to get the other foot wet, really, doesn't he? That's all he wants to do.
Bridge number 1 of 6.
So this is bridge 1. First bridge. wow. Let's get down here.
We're going on a bear hunt. We're not scared.
Right, this is the 5th bridge. We're now at the 5th bridge. There we go. Oh, there's a little waterfall down there. Oh wow. Up the stairs from the 5th bridge. Oh, shoot. Right, this is bridge 6. So just come over bridge 6 there, and there's a fallen tree. If I just turn you around and show you what people have done. There we go. I don't know if you can see what that is. Can you spot that from this distance? If I take you closer, they're all coins. They're all 10p's, 1pennies. They're all the way along this tree. Look at that, they're all coins been hammered into the tree. There you go, all the way along. There you go. Right, we're just walking up. I think this is the last bit to the actual main waterfall now. We're nearly there. Alright guys, was it worth it?
Yeah, it is. It's good.
It is worth it, yeah.
Real good one.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm going to turn you around. You ready? I'm going to turn you around, here we go. Right, let's go and have a look.
We're swimming.
You getting in?
Couple of people.
Ho ho!
Yeah, we gotta get in.
Right, we made it. There it is. Now, Harley and Ashley are getting in to have a swim. Aren't you, Ashley? They're going in their pants. Ashley and Harley are just over there getting changed. Ashley don't want to get in, but he is. Harley's getting half undressed. Come on, hurry up. Go. He's in, come on. Alright.
Oh, that's too cold.
Too cold?
Yeah. That's way too cold.
Is it?
Feel my body.
Ashley didn't fancy it because the water was too cold, so he's chickened out. Harley got in. We're now going to head up these stairs, going back to the car. Go and get some lunch. Yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. And we're getting really close now to 1,000 subscribers. So if you could press that subscribe button, I'd be really grateful. It'd be lovely to get recognised by YouTube and monetised and really recognised as a proper channel. We're getting excited. We're getting near the 1,000 subscriber mark. We're nearly there. So yeah. Anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you next time you come along for the ride with Biker Budgie. Take care.